Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today we are bringing you the unboxing of the two new Samsung Galaxy phones, the Samsung Galaxy S21 and the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Now these are a little controversial because as you can see with these boxes, they are super thin. Now why is that? The charger is not inside the box. You don't get headphones, you get a USB cable, and that's about it. So let's, now that we got that out of the way, check out these two, which I do believe are the two best colors you can get. For the S21, you have that beautiful Thanos purple and gold. And then for the S21 Ultra, you do have that really good looking Phantom Black. So let's go ahead and unbox them and see how they look. That is a big boy. And this one I'm getting from my mom. And so right away, when you actually open the box, before we do anything else, I will say that you definitely do notice that this is a flat versus a curved display. So you can definitely tell that right away, just the difference of a flat display and a curved display right from the get-go. As you lift this up too, you'll also notice that this is definitely a plastic that you do not keep on the screen, and it's very important to not keep plastics that are not meant to be screen protectors. The reason why is you can actually get really annoying reception from the mics and your earpiece when you have that on, because it does cover them up. So just know that. And then what's left in here, like I said, nothing but the power cord. It is a type C to type C, and that is because if you do buy the power brick for, I believe, $20, you can buy it. It does not come with the cord though, so you do have to buy that separately, and you need this cord in order to charge it. So just know that. Other than that, you have the paperwork in here and the pop out for the SIM card, because all you do have is a SIM card. There's no expandable storage, so that is something else you should know. Now over here, we have the Ultra. Gonna be the same stuff in the box, so no difference in that. And then we're gonna take these out, and bam, look at that black. That looks super sleek and sexy. I just love that. Sorry, how to get to it, got carried away. Let me now show you the gold as well. Bam. This is a really good color. Look, I am not one for purple, but I will tell you right now, if they had had this for the Ultra, I might have got it, might have went with the Thanos style or something like that. Maybe got a little bit darker purple, get a D brand or something like that skin. No, not a sponsor, but you know, just get that real kind of change up look. But yeah, these two look good. This is a plastic on the S21, and on the Note, it is glass. Basically a lot colder texture with the glass. The plastic feels good. I know some people said that it felt cheaper, but I don't feel it. I don't know. I've never thought plastic was a bad thing. I thought it was all about the look that the plastic had, and this does a really good job of keeping that look really good and pristine. So yeah, in terms of thickness, you're definitely going to have a thickness difference overall. And no Bixby button, no thing on the side. Now it's just really the power and volume up, which I forgot. Let me know in the comments section, was the power and volume this way before, or was it different last time around too? So did get both T-Mobile. And so on these three, you have the triple camera setup. You have the ultra wide, regular, and telephoto. On this one though, you do have the ultra wide 108 megapixel regular, 3 times optical and 10 times optical, along with the laser focus up there. Both have the light, and it is important to note that this one is not really a telephoto. It's just a 64 megapixel that you zoom into. So you have that there. And that is going to be the size difference. So a big difference between these two in terms of size. Let me know what you're leaning towards. If you're going to get either one of them, let me know in the comment section down below. Or if you're upset about Samsung taking away one of those things, let me know that as well. We do have 2 very big reviews coming up next week, and they will be like no review you see on YouTube. Let me know your guys' thoughts in the comment section down below. Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy.
Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.